Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Musyoka Stephen Kalonzo Ayasya Vena Maumu Maingi Maendee kuna Kisomo cha Imanyisyo Sya Yiulu Ayasya kana Kukunika Kula Kuendee theno Imanyisyo Imwe Kuyisa Kuvingiwa Metho hainene acha Nthini cha kuboya mwi wa Rafael Munabu Kalonzo Ayasya kana matambia nimekoswa kuikithia kana Kisomo ni cha ilana kana Kisomo kini kethwa kitona kutethia nzia wasiokite pala Kalonzo wakathia Munabu kwa musango wake theno wa kwa ile Kisomo wa Kenya mwaka mwao ni wakutwambisi.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka inena cha Nthini chambo ya Muti ya Professor Rafael Munavu nolona imwene kivila wa bodi la yungamio waki wa musi wa matuko wa konza no mukathi ya Muti ya Munavu waiweta kanamba ya mukamba Ayasya ngumba yi kithito monduni ma Kisomo na kukiliotwika wa matuko wa vandi ya Kenya.
Professor Munavu, as you have heard, was not just a professor here, but also a community leader. That has been attested to by my brother, Mwaneya Mudhama. And I know the people of Mbilini, people of Kangundo, people of Machakos will be waiting to say kwaheri to one of their elders, a man who faced difficulty with a big smile. We shall miss Professor Munavu, a man who has contributed so much to the advancement of science and education in our country.
Kalonzo ni waweta kana Vena vata Silikali Kyama ni muvango wa kuminukilia waki wa musi wa konza tanze mwe akulilikana uya Musyola Professor Munavu na kuniye kuikithia kana konza ni atedia isao siukite.
And I think the biggest tribute we can offer to Professor Munavu is to make sure that Konza Technopolis succeeds. We heard you, we see you.
Dongo ino ni aweta kanao na kutwika Professor Munavu anethitwe mustali ni wambe kwa ile Kisomo vandi ya Kenya. Silikali ya President William Ruto ni valukite na kuvalania Kisomo na munoche Imanyisyo Sya Yiulu.
Father, I'm sure you know I'm an opposition leader. I cannot pretend to be who I'm not. We do have issues with the way the university education, the quality of the same, accessibility. Look at Moi University struggling. How many of those other universities are still struggling? We do have issues. But Munavu did his work on CBC. What we do with it, the problems there, cannot be assigned to Professor Munavu because we want them to rest in eternal peace. And we'll continue to make sure the education system in this country will serve future generations well.
Nilivotia vilingwa movoni toa mwaka mweu.